Hi everyone, wanted to do a tutorial today on how to measure lead cane, sizing it with a caliper. So first, a few things. This is a cross intersection of a round H cane. A is the channel, what we call the channel. B is the face of the lead cane, so it's this distance. C is the width, so if you're looking at it like an H, it's this width here. D is the depth from the heart of the lead cane here, and E is a radius, which is the radius of this round part, which we won't measure today. Today we're going to focus on measuring A, B, C, and D with a caliper. So first thing with a caliper is this is a digital caliper, so it can measure in decimals or millimeters. I'm going to do decimals. You want to make sure your caliper is set to 0 when everything's snug. So let's start measuring. So I hold the caliper like this, and I'm going to want to measure, I'm going to do C first here, the width. So if I open the caliper and then kind of snug it, I can see that my C distance, which is the width, is 0.248. So I'm just going to write that down, 0.248. And then I snug it back to 0. I'll do the face. So the face is this distance, that. So I'll snug it. It's about 0.154. So I'll write that here. 0.154 is B, the face. Okay, the next, put it back to 0. I want the channel, the inside, a little different. The top of your caliper measures the inside of something. The bottom of the caliper measures the outside. So we have to measure the inside. So I'll use the top part of the caliper. I'll put my channel in there and then slowly open it. And you see how it opens there. It's kind of cool. And A is about 0.158. 0.158 is A. And then the last, set this back to 0, is the depth, this distance. So I'm going to do this one a little differently. I'm going to lay it down. And with your caliper on this end, you have something that actually comes out of the bottom that measures depth. So I'm going to make it open up here, place it in my lead cane, snug it down, and then when I look at it, I think I did that wrong, hold on. When I look at it, make sure it's snug, then I get a reading 0.060. 060. And this is all decimals. I could also measure this in, millimeters, but I did mine in decimals, doesn't matter. But I can then look this up on Cascade Metals or GHD Metals or any other kind of manufacturer of lead cane, and with these measurements, it will tell me which one to buy. And this is on Cascade Metals, it's an RH102. So that I know that's the right size for this lead cane, and when I order it, it'll be the same. So hope that was helpful.